Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here with another video today, and my life is in shambles right now. How are you guys doing? I forgot to bring my camera charger, so I have to do this really fast because my camera will die. And I also forgot my cord for my viewfinder on my laptop, so I have to look in the viewfinder of my camera, and it's super small, and I'm not even sure if I'm focused or not. Anyways, I'm gonna do a BoxyCharm unboxing for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in my box. If you guys can't see it because it's not focused, I am sorry. I fucked up. But we're gonna get this video done though. We're gonna get through this together. Okay, so if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is a subscription where you get full-size beauty products every month sent to you for $21 a month. This is what the box looks like. I've been signed to BoxyCharm for 2 months now. I did get last month's box, but I didn't do a video on it, so I'm gonna start with this one. So this is what the box looks like. It just says BoxyCharm on the front, and I got this about not a week ago. I got this a couple of days ago, but I didn't open it just because I wanted to open it on camera just so we can do some first impressions, and just so you guys can see what comes in the box. I think doing BoxyCharm unboxing, why do I keep saying unboxing? I think doing BoxyCharm unboxing is very cool just for the people who don't have BoxyCharm and, you know, just want to take a peek into other people's boxes and be nosy and see what we get every month, just in case you guys want to subscribe later. I'm doing this for y'all. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing I see is a blush. Yeah, it's a blush, and it's from the brand called Pretty Vulgar. This is what it looks like. Sorry guys if the focus is not on, but it's a very pink blush, very pretty. The packaging is very pretty. I don't really wear blush. Well, I don't wear blush at all. I used to wear blush when I first started wearing makeup, but I don't really do it anymore. I don't really think it's needed for me to wear blush. This blush is really pretty. It's super pink, which definitely I couldn't get away with, but it's fine. I'll just give it away to somebody. But yeah, this is the first item that I see in the box. Pretty cute. The company definitely went out the way to make sure that the packaging was pretty, so that's nice. I love makeup brands who actually care about what their packaging looks like. So yeah, that's the first thing. The second thing is Bella Perry Cosmetics. I think I'm saying that wrong. Sorry if I'm not. But this is a volumizing mascara, and this is what it looks like. I always get super excited when I get new mascaras just because I like mascara. I like to see how long my eyelashes can get with mascara. So this mascara looks really good. It's just your basic black mascara. This is what the wand looks like. This is cute. I'm excited to use this actually. Like I said, I love mascara. So that's cute. And guys, like, signing up to BoxyCharm is a very good idea also, because, you know, there's a lot of things that you want to try but you just don't because you don't want to spend your money on it. You know, like you see a lot of random shit in like Ulta or Sephora or wherever you are, and you'll like be interested in it, but you just won't pick it up or buy it just because, I don't know why, but that's exactly how I am. I'm very like comfortable in my comfort zone, so I'll have in my mind that I want to try new makeup, and I'll go to Sephora or Ulta, and I'll literally walk in and go straight to the products that I already have used and that I already like. Like, it's very hard for me to go out of my comfort zone with makeup. That's why I like that I signed up for BoxyCharm, because it's sending me like random shit that I probably would never buy if it wasn't sent to me, but it's good stuff. Like, it has potential. So I'm very happy that BoxyCharm is kind of a way to push me out of my comfort zone, if that makes sense. So if you guys are like me and want to try new things but just can't, get BoxyCharm. Okay, so the next thing that I see is a smoky eye brush set by the company The Vintage Cosmetic. This is, sorry, I kind of just took the brushes out already, my bad. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's very vintage. It looks very old school. You guys can't see it, but yeah, it's a brush set and it comes with 3 brushes. And this is what the brushes look like. So these are eyeshadow brushes. These brushes are actually really cute. They have steps on it, on the brush. So the first brush is step 1 and it says for the money. And then the second brush says step 2 for the shadow. And then the third brush says step 3, go girl go. I think these are actually really adorable. Like, I love the steps on it, and it's the Vintage Cosmetics company and they look very vintage. That's really cute. I like it. I'm excited to try these brushes. Okay, so that was the third thing. The fourth thing will be South Main 3 eye gel packs. So these are under eye gel packs, if that makes sense, guys. These are basically the little gel patches that go underneath your eye. I never tried these before, even though I've always wanted to. See, this is what I'm talking about. These are things that I've always wanted to try, but every time I go into the store, I never pick it up. So this is why BoxyCharm is good to have. Very, very handy. So it comes with 3 packs of eye gels, and you basically just put this under your eyes for puffiness, dark circles, and just to moisturize the eye area, which I need because sometimes your girl be waking up with eye bags and it's not cute. I'm excited about these it's like little things that I get excited about, like these eye gel packs, which is crazy because I've been wanting it, but I will never go into the store to pick any up. So I'm happy that I have some now. And the last product that is inside the box, I think it's gonna be an eyeshadow palette. Right now it's just like in this white packaging. So this is BoxyCharm Pure or Pur. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. But this is what it looks like in the front. It just says BoxyCharm. And then, ooh, these they're eyeshadows. The colors are gorgeous. Oh my god, I almost just dropped it. But look at the colors. Isn't this pretty? I love it. Now, this is probably what I'm most excited about in this box. I love the packaging. I love that they put thought into the packaging. There's so many makeup brands that make eyeshadow palettes and they don't even give you a mirror, but BoxyCharm gave us a mirror. So that's cool. I'm not really an expert in eyeshadow palettes, like, to be totally honest with you guys. I do not know how to put on eyeshadow. If I do put on eyeshadow, it's like 1 or 2 shades max, but I never, like, I want to start doing like creative looks with eyeshadow, but it's hard. Like, people, like you guys out there that can do eyeshadow looks are very talented because I cannot do it. But you know, lately I've been buying eyeshadow palettes, and now that I got this eyeshadow palette, I'm very motivated to learn. I'm gonna learn how to do my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna take you guys along the way. I'm gonna like film me trying to do eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys even want to see that. It might be fucking hilarious because I'm not gonna know what the hell I'm doing, but I buy eyeshadow palettes just for motivation, I guess. Like, I will go to Sephora or Ulta and buy eyeshadow palette and just go home and stare at it because I don't know how to use it. So yeah, I'm very excited for this eyeshadow palette. This is probably what I'm most excited for in this BoxyCharm box so far. I'm gonna learn how to do eyeshadow, guys, and I'm gonna be very proud of myself. But until then, I'll just stare at this for a little while longer and then move on with life. So yeah, this was the 5th thing. This eyeshadow palette was the 5th thing in the box. That was all that came in the box this month. Like I said, I really like this month's box. Everything that was in there I'm excited to use besides the blush, but everything else in the box I'm very excited to use. I'm gonna start making more videos of me unboxing my BoxyCharm boxes. Like I said, I just subscribed a month ago. I did get last month's box, but I didn't do a video on it. So from now on, I'm gonna start making videos like this, opening the box just for the people who don't have BoxyCharm, that just, you know, want to see what's in the box, if they want to, you know, see what's in the box before they subscribe, or, you know, people that just want to see what the hell kind of makeup comes in BoxyCharm. So I think that would be interesting. If you guys want to see more BoxyCharm unboxings, let me know. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, one more thing, guys. My camera did not die. Like, it's still on full battery, which I'm so surprised about because every video that I've ever recorded for YouTube, my camera has died within like 2 minutes. So look at today turning around. I forgot the camera charger. I forgot my little HD cord. From what I can see, the video is in focus and my camera is still on full %. So